Hello there. Today, I'll be showing you one of the ways to implement Magic Form AI onto your WordPress website. We're going to start by going over to the Plugins tab right here and click the Add New Plugin button. You're going to search up for WP Code. Now you're going to install and activate this right here. Afterwards, you'll go to the Code Snippets tab and you'll click on Code Snippets, then Add New, and Add Custom Snippet. You're going to click the HTML snippet option. We're just going to paste in the code that you received from the Launch tab on Magic Form AI's website. Then you're going to go and save the snippet. And then you should be able to go to the editor and see right down here that it's showed up. Thank you very much. Your business automated smarter.